All I can say about this day is wow, what a dump. This was a huge pump this morning. I was so happy to see the breakout above all this resistance with good volume. And it went up from a low of 41,200 to 43,470. That's 1,000 up. But then it hits the upper Bollinger Band and we get some massive volume and we get some huge down. It looks like it went up this far, but it went down twice as much as it went up this morning. So I call that the pump before the dump. The 15-minute chart really shows what happened today. A nice up move after moving sideways for a long time. Then a pop, and then a drop, or a pump before the dump. So it went up this far. 1, 2, 3 lines. I bet it went down 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Wow. Wild. On the 1 hour chart, it took 3 hours to go up. Then we got the doji candlestick. Volume fell off to nothing. Should have continued. But because of this low volume, I think we got the dump. And then the red volume comes in. And for 8 hours, we go straight down and break below support here. Now the only support we have is back at June 10th on the day I called the bottom. But unfortunately, we have done a complete round trip from where I got in. Right about here, 40,600 is when I woke up and saw this volume. A huge volume. That called the bottom. On the daily chart, these were green today. This candlestick was way up there, and it was all looking good. It looked like we were getting ready to move up again, and now these charts look terrible. We got the sell signal at minus 100 over here, and the sell signal here below, minus 100. Huge volume on the dump. And volume down. That's not good. If Bitcoin breaks below here, this low on this day, which is 39,896, it should go back to test this low back here. Okay, I think we've already tested that. Okay, there's one right there. This low right here, 39,585. And if that one falls, the next level of support is right here at 37,316. Same thing for ETH. If it breaks below here, I don't think it has any levels of support. It's already broken them. Okay, here it is down here in this area. This is a lot of support right here, 2750 or so. I don't think the lower wick will come into play here, but that's quite low. 2780 from 3013. Another big drop. Okay, it looks like the powers that be want Bitcoin to look bad. It's pretty rare to see this kind of action, but I usually say that volume like this calls the bottom like it did here, but I'm afraid this time it's not the case because of this huge, huge red candlestick. I mean, that is the biggest one on the chart all the way back to here. And when you get one of those, you usually get a slightly smaller one and then a smaller one, and then we try to find the bottom or not. Okay. I'm thinking more down from here, and a break below here would be quite disastrous for the longs on Bitcoin, and a break below here would be also very bad for the longs on Ethereum.